Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2007 8th generation Honda Civic VTi-L. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand side. This shape ran from the 2nd month 2006 to the 12th month 2011. This vehicle is fitted with an R18 AI 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. We have the left-hand rear door, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light garnish, right-hand tail light garnish, right-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels, right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door, right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. We have the right-hand front guard, driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, 6-stack CD player, factory, interior mirror, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, factory display cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.